Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I want to see how to make the home of Charlie from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So I know how is it designed. I'm going to make the VIP one. So it's so small because they're poor, but let's just begin. So first, their home has a fence, then under the fence is the home. And I think it's like that. So here's a fence. The walls come about like I think I need to change the fence to the wall. That's because the wall looks a bit too small. And in their home, there is a lot for me to build. To delete this. Now is the fence time. There's all the fence is done. I have to make a door from the outside to the fence and then from the fence. So let's just take a camera view on it. This is how much I found. Oh wait, what? Look at that door. Let's get inside and in the home and bro, look at the garden. It has the same type of floor as a home. But let's check how much money they've been paying for this. Wow. It's like chicken macaroni. So anyway, I think there's stove and oven. Alright, bit to the side, so let's just do it. So I think found out mean this. And if it's in the home. Because we need a fridge. Their fridge are like so big. There's very small tables on the siding. So let's just find any table that actually has. I think they use like these ones. That's because I don't have any. I bought this. Now the money that we found is like $1,050,000. So I think that's how they got poor or something. I think there was like a wall on the side or something. So I'll keep it like this. So let's just check the new wall. Wow. Wow. Anyway, well, this looks like a balcony or something. And the roof. Whoa. Let's see how that. It looks like a village or something. Village at home. So what I'm here about, I need to. Yeah. One sec. Let's check it. They're buying so ridiculous. Check the stove. Wow. This is what you get when you're so poor. stairs have like beds, but they're like too big. So I'll do Nordic bed. I'll put a lot here. So their home has a lot of empty space. That's why they got like pests or something in their home. Okay. Okay, draw stairs. Up into the side. I'll just connect them. Let's take the stairs out just so. Let's just see if they look a bit sus. Let's check the curving corner. Let's check the top. Let's say bye bye up there. Let's check. Let's go. I think they had a bathroom inside, but we didn't make a bathroom. So let's do it. Bucket as their bathtub. They can't afford toilet paper or toilet mat. So let's see the bathtub. No clearance. I think I actually sit in the bath or something. Toilet. Sorry, but you can't afford the toilet paper. Sorry, but you're dead. And wash. Sink. I'll see if there's any sinks better than that. No. Add a sink. And there's one sink here also. So anyway, let's just build a. Okay. So I think I need to delete. No, don't do it. No delete. And anyway, I'll just use a wall here. And I also use a fence here. And a sofa. Right on the sofa. I think there's actually sofa, 4 sofas. 3, 4. And we used to have a carpet, so let's just find one. I think the stairs make it up there. Their one looks like old or something. So I'll just make the walls surrounding it. Camera. I think this way is the abandoned way. So I'll just stick a wall to it. So let's go to a wall. And put it here. So as we go down, and we are done. So let's give you a little tour of my house. Wait. It should be looking like any other home. It looks luxury, but it's so bad. Anyway, let's just first, this is the tour. And let me just close everything. This is a tour of the fence, so let's go. The door is high-rise. This side, it looks like very hot outside, but the reason there's something like a sky color here. There's one, I can see some like cloud or things. This is a small path. Let's see if I can actually fit in here. I have a very good idea. It's a good part for me. I can walk through it. Just move over. Here, like this. Here. Right here. This is the... Wow, they have a lot of things in here. Oh, this is like $2 million or something. The bathroom this one and it has a door, window. Let's go. And now let's take the tour of upstairs. Now we're up here. This door I actually blocked it, so I'll just put 2 windows here. As this place looks luxury. Especially those little holes in here. But this will be some more problems today. We are done with our home. If you liked our video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so not miss our latest videos. Bye.